I'm installing the S-VCM controller on this 2015 Honda Pilot. Oop, there she is. And it's pretty straightforward. There's my shadow. I'm going to show you how to do it. Excuse the crappy lighting, but if you look down here, here's the positive of the battery. Down in here is your coolant temperature sensor. You're going to want to unplug that. Just press the tab and wiggle it. All you see is my big stupid hand. There you go, it's unplugged. It's idiot proof too, so you can't do it wrong. So this is in, push it till it clicks, and then the other end, push it into that coolant sensor down in there, just like so. Listen for the click. Once you got that plugged in, we got to fasten the wire, but not yet. I'm gonna loosen this battery, not on top, which I already cracked loose. Okay, and then I ran this wire up and through here. Here it is. Just gonna set it on there. Off to the side a little. Put the nut back on. And then tighten it down. Last thing you do is you just zip tie in a couple places. I had a loop of extra power wire there, so I just zip tied it all up and out of the way. The instructions show you how to do it as well. Once you have it installed, get it up to temp, take her down the road. I got the cruise set at about 60 and no eco light, so it's working.